Hey, Neil Smith here. In this video, we use Mercator Sailing to solve for true course and distance to a destination, given the coordinates of the start point and the destination. Come on, let's get this. Mercator Sailing, practice problem 3. Problem 3. We need a vessel at latitude 38 degrees, 36 minutes north, longitude 11 degrees, 36 minutes west, heads for a destination at latitude 24 degrees, 16 minutes north, longitude 71 degrees, 52 minutes west. Determine the true course and distance by Mercator Sailing. All right, so we need to get lat 1 and lat 2. Lat 1 is equal to 38 degrees, 36 minutes north. 38 degrees, 36 minutes north. Latitude 2 is equal to 24 degrees, 16 minutes north. 24 degrees, 16 minutes north. And find the difference, and that'll give us little l. 6 minus 6 is 0. 3 minus 1 is 2. 20 minutes. Let's see. Is it north? Where are we going? So from 38 north to 24 north, we're going south. You can see, let's just look here. So we're going from 38 to 20. We're going south. So that's gets south. And then 38, 8 minus 4 is 4. 3 minus 2 is 1. These are degrees. We're going to get all of these into minutes. So we're times by 60 to get to minutes. 14 times 60 is 840. 840 plus those 20 minutes, it's going to give us L. So L is 840 plus 20, it's 860. 860 degrees south. And now we can find the meridional parts of these latitudes. M1 is equal to, so 38, 36 north. You need to find 38 and then come down to 36 minutes. 38, 36 is 2499.8. 2499.8. 2499.8. The meridional parts for latitude 2 are M2, 2416 north, 24, and then come down to 16. 24, 16 is 1492.1. 1492.1. 1492.1. Subtract these. We subtracted these. We subtract these. 2499.8 minus 1492.1. 1007.7. 1007.7. This is our little m. Now let's find the difference in longitude. Longitude of 1 equals, longitude 1 equals 11 degrees 36 minutes west. 11 degrees 36 minutes west. Longitude 2 equals 71 degrees, 52 minutes west. 71 degrees, 52 minutes west. Now, we are going to have to switch these because we can't take 71 from 11. But what we can figure out is which way we went. So we were at 11 west, and we went to 71 west. So where'd we go? At 11 west, and we went to 71 west, we went west. I always just think about it like the United States. Where am I going? West. Going to Cali. Okay. So we went west. We know that. Let's flip these things. So we're going to do long 2 minus long 1. So long 2 is 71 degrees, 52 minutes west. And then long 1 is 11 degrees, 36 minutes west. So now we can do this subtraction. This is going to, let's just do it on a calculator. 52 minus 36, 52 minus 36, 16 minutes. And then 71 minus 11 is 60. Good, so we have 60, 16 west, times by 60. These are degrees, and if we times degrees by 60, we get minutes. And 1 minute is equal to 1 mile, so the units help. 60 times 60 equals 36 plus these 16 will give us little l. So little l is equal to 36 plus 3600 plus 16. 16 equals 3616. 3616 minutes west is L. So let's figure out where we're going. So here we got north, west, east, south. This is our quadrantal notation. So we started 38 to 24, we went south. So it's going to be from south with our course, and then we went west from 11 to 71. We went west. So we're going to be somewhere in here. This angle from south is going to be equal to our C, and the question is going to want CN, which is from north. So it's going to be this whole angle is going to be CN. From north all the way around. So we're going to go 180 plus C. We're going to go 180 plus C is going to be our CN. So our CN will be equal to 180 plus whatever we get for C. And now let's find our C. C is equal to arctan, tan inverse. I always make this L for some reason. This is D low. D low. D low over M. So tan negative 1, D low, 3616, 3616 over M, 1007.7, 1007.7. We'll do this math on a calculator. So shift inverse tan 3616 divided by 1007.7. 3616. Yeah, 74.428. 74.428. This is our course. So let's get our CN with this. We put it up here, right here. This means we're this angle, see? We're 74.428 degrees from south. And so we're gonna add 180 to that to get it from north. So 180 plus 74.428 equals CN. 1180 plus 74.428 equals 254.428. 254.428. So CN is equal to 254.428. This is also degrees true in the problem. So let's look at distance now. Distance is equal to little l over cosine of c. So this is equal to little l, which is here, 860, divided by the cosine of 74.428. So distance is equal to, put this in the calculator, L, 860, divided by cosine 74.428 equals 3203.587. This would be in miles. So this is going to be what we're looking for in the answer. This one and this one. So let's check out our answers. For 3, 254.4, we got look at that, 254.4. We have one here and one here. So one of those. And now 3203. 32036. That's what we got too. 3203.6. So I'm guessing we're working with D here. So 3D, let's check this out. 3, we got it, D.